Why gratitude is a superpower. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It's a powerful mindset shift that transforms how you experience life. When you focus on what you have instead of what you lack, your entire outlook changes. Research has shown that practicing gratitude can reduce stress and anxiety, improve overall happiness and satisfaction, strengthen relationships, increase resilience in tough times. The science behind gratitude studies have found that people who actively practice gratitude have lower levels of depression, stronger immune systems, better sleep quality, higher levels of optimism and motivation. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on the positive instead of dwelling on negativity. How to practice gratitude daily. 1. Keep a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small, anything from family support to a beautiful sunset. 2. Express gratitude to others. Take time to tell people you appreciate them. A simple thank you or a heartfelt message strengthens relationships. 3. Reframe challenges with gratitude. Instead of focusing on obstacles, ask yourself, what is this teaching me? How can I grow from this? 4. Use gratitude affirmations. Start your morning with positive statements like, I am grateful for the opportunities in my life. I appreciate the small joys around me. 5. Shift focus from what's missing to what's present. Instead of thinking, I don't have enough money, try, I am grateful for the resources I do have and the opportunities ahead. Real-life example. Oprah Winfrey's gratitude practice. Oprah credits gratitude as a key to her success. She has kept a gratitude journal for years, listing things she appreciates daily. She once said, the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Key takeaway. Gratitude isn't just a habit, it's a mindset that creates abundance. When you focus on what's good, more good things come your way. Please like, comment, subscribe,